Road signs are the key to passing your DMV permit test. Learn these 40 US road signs, and your success is practically guaranteed. Let's get started. Name this road sign. A. No passing zone. B. Do not enter. C. No straight through. Correct. This is the do not enter sign. Guess this road sign. A. Temporary no stopping. B. Straight through only. C. No stopping. Well spotted. This sign prohibits stopping at any time in this area. Identify this traffic sign. A. Pedestrians crossing. B. Pedestrian crosswalk. C. Pedestrian crosswalk ahead. Excellent. This sign alerts drivers to pedestrians crossing ahead. What is this road sign? A. Yield sign ahead. B. Yield sign. C. Yield at roundabout. Good observation. This sign instructs drivers to yield way to traffic. Which traffic sign is this? A. Roundabout. B. Roundabout circulation. Plaque. C. Mini roundabout. You got it. This sign indicates an upcoming roundabout. Guess this road sign. A. School crosswalk. B. School crosswalk ahead. C. School zone. Excellent. This sign marks an approaching school zone. Name this traffic sign. A. Stop sign. B. Yield sign. C. Stop sign ahead. Correct. This is a stop sign. Identify this road sign. A. Stop sign ahead. B. Yield sign ahead. C. Yield at roundabout. Well spotted. This sign warns drivers of an upcoming yield sign. Guess this traffic sign? A. No right turn. B. No left turn. C. No left turn on red. Good observation. This sign prohibits making left turns in this area. Which road sign is this? A. Railroad crossing. Crossbuck. B. Railway crossing ahead. C. Railroad crossing ahead. Great choice. This sign marks a railroad crossing. Crossbuck. What is this road sign? A. Slippery when wet ahead. B. Series of bends ahead. C. Winding road. Excellent. This sign warns drivers of slippery conditions ahead. Name this traffic sign. A. Parking permitted. B. Parking permitted for 2 hours. C. Parking area. You got it! This sign marks a designated parking area. Identify this road sign. A. Standard traffic light. B. Traffic light ahead. C. Traffic signal photo enforced. Good catch. This sign alerts drivers to upcoming traffic signals. Which traffic sign is this? A. Stop sign ahead. B. Stop sign. C. Yield sign ahead. Correct. This sign warns drivers of an upcoming stop sign. Guess this traffic sign? A. No pedestrians crossing. B. No straight through. C. End of pedestrian zone. Well spotted. This sign prohibits pedestrians from crossing this area. What is this road sign? A. Farm vehicles. B. Emergency vehicle. C. Slow-moving vehicles. Good observation. This sign alerts drivers to farm vehicles on the road. What is this traffic sign? A. Hill, bike. B. Bicycle slippery when wet ahead. C. Bicycle route. Excellent. This sign warns of a steep downhill grade for cyclists. Which traffic sign is this? A. Series of bends ahead. B. Slippery when wet ahead. C. Winding road. You got it. This sign warns drivers of a winding road ahead. Guess this road sign. A. Narrow bridge. B. Drawbridge ahead. C. Narrow underpass. Correct. This sign alerts drivers to an upcoming drawbridge. What traffic sign is this? A. Traffic control flagger ahead. B. Construction ahead. C. Flagger ahead. Well spotted. This sign indicates that a flagger is directing traffic ahead. Identify this traffic sign. A. Falling rocks. B. Uneven surface. C. Rough pavement. Excellent. This sign warns drivers of falling rocks along the road. Guess this road sign. A. Dangerous crosswinds. B. Side winds. C. Crosswinds sign. Good observation. This sign alerts drivers to strong crosswinds. Which traffic sign is this? A. Crossroad. B. Side road. C. T intersection. Nice work. This sign indicates a side road joining the main road. Guess this road sign? A. Motorcycle plaque. B. Bike lane. C. Solo motorcycles prohibited. Correct. This sign designates a motorcycle-specific plaque. What is this road sign? A. Single lane transition. B. Road narrows. C. Narrow bridge. Excellent. This sign warns of a narrowing roadway. Which traffic sign is this? A. Divided highway begins. B. Divided highway ends. C. Divided highway crossing. You got it! This sign indicates the end of a divided highway. Guess this road sign. A. School speed limit ahead. B. Speed limit ahead. C. Speed limit. Good catch. This sign shows the posted speed limit. Which traffic sign is this? A. Dip sign. B. Bump. C. Uneven surface. Well spotted. This sign warns of a dip in the road. Identify this road sign? A. No bicycles. B. No cycling. C. Bicycle lane ends. Correct. This sign marks the end of a designated bicycle lane. Guess this road sign. A. Speed limit ahead. B. Speed limit. C. Ramp speed advisory. Great choice. This sign alerts drivers of an upcoming speed limit. Which traffic sign is this? A. School bus stop ahead. B. School bus entrance. C. Bus station. Excellent. This sign warns that a school bus stop is ahead. What traffic sign is this? A. Narrow underpass. B. Narrow bridge. C. Road narrows. Good observation. This sign warns of a narrow bridge. Identify this traffic sign. A. Snowmobile. B. Skier crossing. C. Snowmobile trail. Nice work! This sign indicates a snowmobile crossing area. Guess this road sign. A. Bump. B. Dip sign. C. Uneven surface. Well spotted. This sign warns of uneven road conditions. Which road sign is this? A. Railroad crossing ahead. B. Railway crossing. C. Low ground clearance crossing. Correct? This sign alerts drivers of a low ground clearance crossing. Which traffic sign is this? A. Truck height limit. B. Height restriction ahead. C. Weight limit. Excellent. This sign indicates the maximum permitted vehicle height. What is this road sign? A. No dangerous goods vehicles. B. No trucks. C. No heavy trucks. Good catch. This sign prohibits trucks from entering. Which traffic sign is this? A. Turn right. B. Turn right only. C. Curve right. You got it. This sign warns drivers of a right-hand turn. Identify this road sign. A. Narrow bridge. B. Narrow underpass. C. Tunnel. Excellent. This sign indicates a narrow underpass ahead. Guess this traffic sign. A. U.S. route marker, 2 digits. B. County route marker. C. State route marker. Great choice. This sign shows a designated state route. Great work completing this video. If you want more DMV study materials, tips, and road sign videos, hit subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated. Keep learning with the videos on your screen, and we'll see you in the next session.